Long ago, in a temple hidden among the Mishti mountains, lived a young monk named Tenzin. His days were spent in quiet meditation, his mind like a still pond, undisturbed by the winds of the world. One morning, as the golden sun stretched its rays over the temple roofs, a small blue bird began to follow him. It chirped and sang, as if whispering secrets of the world beyond the monastery walls. "Little one, why do you sing so much?" Tenzin asked. The bird tilted its head, as if asking, "Why do you speak so little?" As Tenzin walks through the monastery, the bird flitting beside him. Monks sweep the courtyard, prayer wheels spin slowly in the wind. Tenzin lived by the teaching that silence leads to wisdom, that words are like ripples on the water, sometimes unnecessary, sometimes disruptive. But the bird, it lived by a different wisdom. It sang without hesitation, spoke without fear. Tenzin decided to approach Master Rinzin to tell him what troubles him. As he enters the temple, Master Rinzin asked Tenzin, "What troubles you?" Tenzin replied, "Master, this bird is loud, restless, yet it follows me everywhere. Should I not teach it the beauty of silence?" Master Rinzin chuckled, his wise eyes twinkling like lanterns in the night replied, "Perhaps, Tenzin, it is not the bird that must learn from you, but you who must learn from the bird." For the first time, Tenzin listened, not for silence, but for the space between the notes of the bird's song, the rhythm of the world's breath. The next morning, Tenzin stands on a temple balcony, looking at the valley below. The bird sings, and this time, Tenzin smiles and hums along. In that moment, Tenzin understood, silence and sound are not enemies, but dance partners in the great symphony of life. Now ask yourself, are you stuck in silence when you should be expressing yourself? Or are you drowning in noise, afraid of stillness? The balance is where wisdom is found. Monks and birds, silence and sound, stillness and movement, all of life is a balance. In the end, the most important lesson is this: listen deeply, express boldly, and live fully. Now, tell me, what lesson resonated with you the most? Let's talk in the comments. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more contents.